In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a pie chart in Excel with %. By the end, you'll be able to turn a simple data table into a clean, professional chart that clearly shows the percentage each category represents. First, open your Excel file and make sure your data is organized properly. You should have one column for your categories, like product names or departments, and another column for the values you want to chart, such as sales, counts, or amounts. Take a moment to check that there are no blank rows or extra headers inside your data, because those can confuse Excel when it builds the chart. Next, select the data you want to use. Click and drag from the top left cell of your table, including both the category names and the corresponding numbers, down to the last row you want in your chart. It's important that you include the labels, because those will become the slice names on your pie chart. With the data selected, go to the Insert tab along the top of Excel. In the Chart section, look for the pie chart icon. Click it and choose the standard 2D pie option. Excel will instantly create a pie chart and place it on your worksheet. You can click and drag the chart to move it and use the handles on the corners to resize it. Now, to show the percentages, click once on the pie chart to select it. Then look for the little plus icon that appears next to the chart. Click that and turn on data labels. At first, Excel might show only the values, not the percentages. To fix that, right-click on any of the data labels in the chart and choose Format Data Labels. A panel will open on the right side. In that panel, check the option for percentage. You can uncheck value if you only want to see percentages instead of raw numbers. As you do this, watch how the labels on your chart update to display the percentage for each slice. This makes it much easier to understand the relative contribution of every category. You can also adjust the label position here, such as placing them inside or outside the slices, depending on what looks cleaner. Finally, use the Chart Design and Format tabs to tweak colors, fonts, and the chart title, so everything matches the style you want. Once you're happy with it, your Excel pie chart with percentages is ready to use in reports, presentations, or dashboards.